गोय फुटबॉल अकादमीची आयतारा बसका जाली जी एफ.ए. सर्ती जावपाक खेळामळ फुकट उपलब्ध आसचे म्हण ठराव पास जाल्लो आसा. तशेंच लुसोफोनिया सारकिल्ल्यो ज्यो सर्ती जाल्यो ताचो पयसो अजूनय तिजोरेन पाविल्लो ना म्हण एल्विस गोम्स उलयला. आरडीएक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनवली.
A resolution has been taken demanding that grounds be freely made available to conduct GFA competitions. So also respective clubs, local clubs must get the government developed grounds in their respective villages free of cost. No charges should be levied because by organizing these leagues we are helping in the promotion and development of football. Sports policy, marks policy that is there is because players participate in our leagues and therefore this has to be made free. Another issue is the non-payment of grants by the Sports Authority of Goa timely. Most of the grants are delayed and one case is of non-payment of grants to the tune of 10 lakhs pertaining to Lusophonia games. Lusophonia games जावन आज 6 वर्सां जातली दिसता म्हाका अजून पैसे दिवंक ना. हाजेरूय आमी निशेध मारलेलो आनी this has been already placed before the government but it has been decided to place it once again. Issue came up of 7-a-side tournament that had been organized in Margao as a new format. We have explained to the members that decision was taken on a trial basis and in future if such formats are to be adopted then we will have to go for amendment in the private tournament rules. That again can be decided in the EGM. We will convene an EGM and see that these changes are brought about. If the members want, these formats will be adopted. One main issue that has come up is the Under-17 World Cup that is now due. The Federation or the LOC has not engaged with us properly as the main body or involved in the regulation and development of football, affiliated directly to the federation, is not given the proper importance and neither the role. We are competent. We have organized large number of competitions in the past. Why only these competitions we have been kept out? That is a question that has been raised, and we have decided to write to the FIFA and the AFC highlighting this issue, and we feel that it is intentionally done because they do not want to part with their finances in the hands of the association which believes in transparency. What we say is we have the competence. Finally, who will carry on the legacy of football? Is it one time event or it will leave something behind? And then who will carry it forward? We have 200 clubs affiliated to us in the nook and corner of Goa. Our reach is widespread. Finally, we are in football, not private agents who are employed by the LOC.